In today's video, we will be demonstrating how to safely operate a two-post lift, specifically our OMER RED 10. The OMER RED 10 is an ALI-certified 10,000-pound capacity two-post lift. It incorporates a dual metric design and three-stage front and rear arm configuration, giving the ability to lift a wide variety of vehicles. First and foremost, always thoroughly review your Lifting It Right safety manual. This manual reinforces the safe lifting practices presented by ALI's Lifting It Right interactive online course. Before using your RED 10, always inspect your lift to confirm it is in operating condition. Place the swing arms outside the bay and position the car. Always ensure that the car is centered between the lifting columns. Position the swing arms to the manufacturer's recommended lifting points. These can be found in the quick reference guide and are commonly depicted underneath the frame. Engage the vehicle and lift until it's approximately 4 to 6 inches off the ground. Ensure arm locking pins are fully engaged. Ensure that the vehicle is level and stable. You can confirm this visually and further by going to the front or rear of the vehicle and slowly rocking it back and forth. Continue the ascent to raise the vehicle to its optimal working height. Most importantly, always lower the lift to its mechanical lock before performing any maintenance on the vehicle. After services have been performed, it's time to lower the lift. Start by raising the lift up to relieve weight off the mechanical lock. Pull down on the lock lever and then push the down button. Hold this operation with both hands during the descent of the lift. Lastly, remove the arms from the underside of the vehicle before removing the vehicle from the bay. Parts and accessories are available for purchase for the RED 10. Contact OMER USA for any of your future needs.